Welcome to this complete Malmo, Sweden travel guide. Nestled in the southernmost tip of Sweden, Malmo is a city that beautifully marries its rich medieval history with a vibrant and modern lifestyle. It's a city that whispers tales of the past while also pulsating with the heartbeat of contemporary culture. In our journey through Malmo, we'll be exploring 12 iconic spots. From the majestic Malmo Castle, standing tall since the 15th century, to the bustling Copenhagen district, a melting pot of cultures, there's a lot to discover. We'll wander through the cobblestone streets of the old town, admire the modern architecture of the turning torso skyscraper and relax in the tranquil Kungsparken. We'll also visit Malmö's Moderna Museum, take a leisurely walk along the city's canals and explore the charming Folkets Park. So buckle up because we're about to embark on a virtual tour of Malmo. First on our list we have the splendid Malmo Castle. The castle, with its robust Renaissance architecture, stands as a testament to Sweden's rich past. It was built in the 16th century by King Christian III of Denmark. This historic fortress, surrounded by a charming moat, is not just a beautiful sight, but it also houses an intriguing museum. Here you can explore a vast collection of natural history exhibits and artifacts from the city's past. Stepping into Malmo Castle is like stepping into a piece of Sweden's history. Next, we're off to the charming Malmo Old Town. Imagine quaint cobblestone streets meandering through a panorama of historic architecture, each building whispering tales of the past. The heart of Malmo beats in Gamla Staden, where the city's rich history and vibrant culture beautifully collide. Wander around and you'll find yourself mesmerized by the captivating half-timbered houses, grand stone buildings, and the echoes of centuries-old trades. Every corner you turn in this part of town is like stepping back in time, yet with a distinct modern pulse. Whether you're a history buff or a culture vulture, the Old Town has something for everyone. Its unique blend of the past and the present is truly enchanting. Exploring Malmo Old Town is like walking through the pages of a fairy tale book. Now let's head towards Malmo's western harbour. As we meander along the waterfront promenade, we can't help but admire the sleek, modern architecture that encapsulates the city's forward-thinking spirit. The buildings here are not just structures, but statements of innovation and design. And who can ignore the turning torso skyscraper? A marvel of engineering, it twists its way into the sky, challenging our perception of what a building can be. It's not just about height, but about shape, form, and the audacity of imagination. The Western Harbour isn't just a place, it's a vision of what cities can and should be. Sustainable, innovative, and breathtakingly beautiful. A walk along the Western Harbour is a stroll through Malmo's future. Our next stop is the Grand Malmo City Hall. This stunning piece of architecture, dating back to the 16th century, is a true personification of the city's rich and vibrant history. With its ornate facade and elaborate interiors, it stands as a testament to the city's past. Here, high-profile events and weddings add to the building's prestige. A visit to Malmo would be incomplete without taking in the grandeur of this architectural marvel, Malmo City Hall, a symbol of the city's rich heritage. A time to take a breather and relax in Kungsparken. This verdant oasis in the heart of Malmo boasts a stunning lake complete with ducks bobbing on the surface. Here you can lose yourself in the lush greenery, offering a welcome respite from the city's hustle and bustle. Engage in recreational activities or simply sit back and let nature work its soothing magic. With the sun setting over the lake, the park transforms into a picturesque haven. Kungsparken, the perfect spot to unwind in nature's lap. Art enthusiasts, our next stop is Malmo's Moderna Museum. A gateway to the world of contemporary and modern art, this museum is a treasure trove of creativity. It boasts an impressive collection that spans over centuries, featuring everything from the classics to the avant-garde. Here you'll find works from renowned artists, both local and international, as well as innovative exhibitions that challenge the status quo and provoke thought. The museum itself is an architectural marvel, seamlessly blending into Malmo's urban landscape. It's more than just a museum, it's a meeting place for art lovers, a hub for cultural exchange, and a testament to the city's vibrant art scene. Moderna Museum, where art meets life. Next, we're off to the buzzing Folkets Park. Known as the People's Park, this vibrant space is a smorgasbord of activities and attractions. From the colourful playgrounds that delight the young and the young at heart, to the charming cafes serving up delicious fika. There's no shortage of things to do here, but it's not all play. The park also serves as a cultural hub with regular music events, art installations and performances that add a dash of creativity to the atmosphere. Whether you're here for a leisurely stroll, a picnic with friends, or to immerse in the local art scene, Folkets Park has something for everyone. It's a place where fun and relaxation go hand in hand. Art lovers, we're not done yet. Our next stop is Malmo Castle. A marvel in its own right, this stunning edifice is one of Europe's largest exhibition halls for contemporary art. The building itself, with its airy, open spaces and natural light, is a testament to the beauty of minimalist architecture. Inside, it hosts an eclectic blend of exhibitions showcasing works from rising stars to renowned artists. Here, creativity knows no boundaries. Malmo Castle, a haven for art enthusiasts. Now let's take a picturesque walk along Malmo's canals. As we tread lightly along the water's edge, the city unfolds its charm in the beautiful views that span across the horizon. Each canal is a testament to Malmo's rich history, and each bridge we cross is like stepping into a new chapter of that story. But it's not just about the walk, oh no. There's a fleet of boat tours available, each one offering a unique perspective of the city. Whether you're sailing under the low-hanging bridges or watching the sunset from the deck, it's an experience that marries the old world charm with the new. Walking along Malmo's canals is like walking in a postcard. Our next stop is the majestic St. Peter's Church. Nestled in the heart of Malmo, this Gothic marvel stands as a testament to the city's rich history. Constructed in the 14th century, its intricate design and towering spire are a sight to behold. The church's interior, equally impressive, houses a beautifully carved wooden altar dating back to the early 16th century. A visit here is a step back in time, a journey into the spiritual heart of Malmo. St. Peter's Church, where history and spirituality intertwine. Finally, we're off to explore Malmo's vibrant Målarvangen district. Known affectionately as Målan, this district is a melting pot of diverse cultures. As you stroll through the streets, you'll be greeted by the tantalizing aromas of international cuisine, a testament to the multicultural atmosphere that Målan is famous for. Now, if you're a foodie, you'll be in paradise here. The district's food markets, such as the Målarvangen Square Market, are brimming with fresh produce and exotic spices from around the world. But the fun doesn't stop when the sun goes down. Målan's nightlife is as vibrant as its daytime markets, with an array of bars, clubs and music venues to explore. Målarvangen district, the perfect place to end our tour where the pulse of Malmo beats the loudest. So there you have it, 12 things to do in the wonderful city of Malmo. From the historic allure of Malmo Castle to the quaint charm of the old town, Gamla Staden, there's something to captivate every traveller. We've strolled the vibrant Western Harbour, marvelled at City Hall, and found peace in Kungsparken. We've admired contemporary art at the Moderna Museum, discovered the lively Folkets Park, and explored the unique Malmo Castle. Don't forget our peaceful walk along Malmo's canals, the impressive St. Peter's Church, and the eclectic Målarvangen district. This is more than just a checklist. It's an invitation to immerse yourself in the diverse tapestry of Malmo. Each location a story waiting to be discovered, a memory waiting to be made. Malmo isn't just a destination, it's an experience. Thank you for joining us on this virtual tour of Malmo, Sweden. We hope to see you here soon.